The Powerspread Pro has been designed as a high-capacity, fast-output manure spreader, giving the capacity and throughput of rear discharge machines, but with the spread pattern and slurry handling characteristics of the earlier Powerspread range. The spreader comes in 4 sizes, ranging from 1800 to 3200 gallon capacity models. The 1800 and 2300 models are of a short wheelbase design, and the larger 2400 and 3200 spreaders have a longer wheelbase with larger wheels fitted. Otherwise, all are mechanically very similar, except for length, axle and wheel size, and load capacities. The Powerspread Pro 3200 is capable of holding up to 15 tons of material. The spreaders have a low PTO tractor horsepower requirement of 100 horsepower for the smallest 1800 model and 140 horsepower for the largest 3200. With its patented centrally opening side door and overshot rotor, it can achieve fast and efficient work rates. The Powerspread Pro models all provide an even and accurate spread pattern, with both slurry and farmyard manure over a width of up to 25 meters. With its side spreading feature, the operator can with ease visually monitor its spreading performance from the cab. The Powerspread Pro range is designed and built to a high standard here in the UK by Shelbourne Reynolds, who have been manufacturing and exporting quality agricultural machinery around the world for over 40 years. The 2400 and 3200 models have 650mm wide flotation tyres on a single axle and are fitted with hydraulic brakes plus lighting kit as standard to both models. Optional tandem axles and air brakes are available. The 1.4 meter wide discharge rotor is mounted on the right-hand side of the machine for ease of operation and is fitted with reversible Hardox wear plates for a long and economical life. A vertically opening sealed door allows the full width of the rotor to be used even when applying a fine covering of manure. The application rate is regulated by the opening of the door, which is controlled by a hydraulic cylinder and activated from within the tractor cab. The door is made from Hardox steel and when shut seals in the manure and slurry to help avoid leakage during transport. The discharge rotor can be lowered hydraulically to allow easy access in the event of a blockage. The rotor and central auger can also be reversed to aid clearance. Drive from the tractor's 540 PTO goes to the central auger and discharge rotor via heavy-duty chain and sprocket drives. This drive line is easy to maintain and is fitted with separate shear bolt protection for the auger and discharge rotor. Inside the spreader, there is a 36-inch diameter welded steel auger that turns at 13 RPM. This moves material from both the front and rear of the hopper towards the centrally mounted side door. An optional hydraulically activated anti-bridge arm system can be fitted when spreading non-rotted straw-based manure. A reverse drive facility is also fitted as standard, enabling the operator to reverse the central feed auger in the event of a blockage. The paddles are attached to the central auger by a shear bolt and pivot pin. If an obstacle is encountered, the bolt can shear and allow the paddles to rotate backwards to help prevent damage. The door is the full width of the rotor and slides open vertically. This ensures that 100% of the discharge rotor's width is used at all times when spreading. The rotor turns in an overshot direction at 700 RPM and takes the material from the central auger and uses the underside of the hard-ox steel door as a shear plate. This firstly fragments the material before spreading it in an even arc to the side of the machine. The 1800 and 2300 short wheel-based models complete the Powerspread Pro range of spreaders. These spreaders are built to a high standard to help give a strong and reliable life that users have come to expect from Shelbourne equipment. They share most of the same mechanical features as the two larger capacity long wheelbase versions, except they have 23.1 by 26-inch wheels and smaller hopper sizes. Good stability is provided by a tapered body design and low central auger. The PTO and chain drive system, side discharge rotor and door are the same as used on the larger 2400 and 3200 Pro spreaders. Inside the hopper, the central auger is the same 36-inch diameter. An optional hydraulic anti-bridging arm helps keep material moving to the door. All four Powerspread Pro models can spread liquid and solid farmyard manures, plus chicken muck and compost. They are also very easy to operate and maintain, and offer a fine and even spread pattern, which is essential when used for grassland work. As well as the Pro models, a new smaller dairy range is available, with capacities from 1600 to 2000 gallons.